Hi Mango, this will be a quick workout for your arms. So are you ready? Just roll your mat. Let's do this together.
Hey love, you got your heart on your sleeve, but the shirt on your back's a bit small. Hey you, yeah, your colors are changing, the world ain't half bad after all.
Alright, now let's start with some warm-up movement. So I wanted to open your legs with the part. Pull the belly button in, relax your shoulders, inhale deeply through your nose, exhale deeply through your mouth. Now relax your shoulders, arms along your body, inhale, and exhale. Now try to inhale and elevate the shoulders, and exhale deep breath, try to reach your hands all the way down towards the feet. Awesome, one more time, and exhale. Good. Inhale, lift your heels off the mat, and exhale, bring your heels down. And soften the knees here. I'm going to show you to do a couple more times with your own breath. Keep breathing. Slowly. And 5, 4, relax your arms. 3, 2, and last one. And slowly bring your feet down, gently shake your legs. Inhale, lift your arms up. And exhale, bring your arms down. And inhale, lift. And exhale, down. And 3 more times. 2. And last one. And slowly bring your hands down. Take a deep inhalation again. And exhale deeply. Rotate your shoulders fully to 4 directions. And then reverse. Now rotate the wrist. Reverse. Rotate the ankle. And reverse. And to the opposite side. And then reverse. Awesome. And start to step. Bend one knee and to the other side. A little bit. And slowly bring your heels down. Let's start the main workout from here. So start with the first part. To burn your arms, open your arm to the side and rotate the torso to one side. Your hips still facing forward to the other side and back to the center. Couple more times with your own breath. And last one, to the right and to the left and back to the center. Hands down, rotate the shoulders again and then reverse. Bring your arms up and bend your elbows to 90 degrees. And now start to bring your arm to the front and come back. You can use the weight with you in this position, in this movement, and in this whole workout if you want more challenging for your arms. Good. And 3, 2, and last one. And slowly lengthen your arms and bend and lengthen and bend. Don't hold your breath. Don't forget your breath. Just take a deep inhalation, lengthen and then bend, come back, exhale. And 3, 2, and last one. And slowly bring your hands down, gently shake your hips, take a deep breath, inhale deeply through your nose, and exhale deeply through your mouth. And one more deep breath, and exhale deeply. Awesome. Now I want you to allow yourself to bring your arm to the side, relax your shoulders, and we're going to add the movement with your legs so that way you feel crazy good. And start to make a little pulse with your heels. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And slowly bring your heels down. Now I want you to shift your weight to one side, lengthen your leg and lift your leg up and down. And 9, keep breathing. 8, 7, 6, relax your shoulders. 4, don't drop your arms. 3, awesome. 2, and last one. And slowly bend your knee, open your knee to the side, lengthen, come back. Just go as high as you can, really listen to your body. You can rotate your opposite toes to the other side if it's easier for the balance. So listen to your body. Awesome. 2, and last one. And slowly Come back, weight to the opposite side. Make sure you don't drop your arms because it feels so good here. Again, lift it up and down. 9, 8, 7, 6, keep breathing, and 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. Alright, again, rotate your toes if you need to. If you can do it without, then try it. So lift your leg up, lengthen, come back. And 3, 2, and last one, kick and back. And slowly bring your feet down. Take a deep inhalation. And exhale deeply. Now the next movement, I want you to allow yourself to come to the beginning of the mat. So inhale, step one foot forward. Open your legs a little bit wider. The distance between your legs so that way it has more balance. Inhale, soften the front knee and shift towards the front. Kick up and kick to the front and come back. So when you move your leg from the back to the front, make sure you flex the ankle so it gives more space for you to bring the leg forward and backward, right? So let's do that for 10 times each side. So again, go up and stand on one leg, kick to the back and to the front, to the back and to the front. You can open your arm to the side if it's easier for the balance. Squeeze your booty. Awesome. And 2. And last one. And slowly bring your leg down. We're gonna go to the opposite side. So open your legs again. Bend your knee, open your legs, and try to stand up. Kick to the front and kick back all the way as far as you feel good. Now you can do it a little bit slower if it's easier to control the balance and to stabilize the hips. Good. And last one. And slowly bring your leg down. Show your hips, rotate the shoulders, and then reverse again. Take a deep inhalation. Exhale deeply to your mouth. Inhale and exhale. Now the next movement, I wanted to allow yourself to inhale, bring your arm up, one arm up and one arm lower side. So inhale, lift your legs up, extend the ankle, engage your abs. Start to make a little pulse here. Awesome. And 3, 2, 1. And now bend your knee, bring your arm towards the knee and open. And bend and open for a couple more times. And 5, 4. Good. 3, 2, and last one. And slowly bring your leg down to the opposite side. Extend the ankle. Lift your leg up. Make a little pulse. Try to stay balanced here. And then bend your knee, move towards the arm and open. Engage your abs. And last one. And slowly bring your feet down. Keep your feet together. Take a deep inhalation. And exhale deeply through your mouth. And one more deep breath. And exhale deeply. Alright. Now I wanted to try one more time before we complete the workout today. So, one more move. So I wanted to step one foot forward and one leg to the front. Flex the ankle. Inhale, open your arm to the side, rotate your torso, and lengthen your leg, come back. We're going to try to do 10 times each side. Engage your abs. 9. Good. 8. 7, 6. Oh, super challenge. Awesome. 5, 4, 3, and 2. Stabilize your hips. Don't have to go all the way. Last one, and slowly bring it back. So again, lift your leg up, open your arm to the side, and rotate, lengthen, come back, and back to the center. 9, 8, 7, 6, and 5, 4, 3, and 2, and last one. And slowly bring your leg down. Take a deep inhalation and exhale deeply through your mouth. And one more deep breath and exhale deeply. Alright, rotate the shoulders fully to 4 directions. We are going to do some stretching before we complete the workout, and then reverse. Back to the center. Now bring your hands, interlace your finger backward, lift it up and down. And last one, and now bend your elbows, slide all the way up and down, and up and down again. And last one, and slowly bring it down, shake your hands, rotate the wrist, and then reverse. Take a deep inhalation, and exhale deeply, and one more deep breath, and exhale deeply. Reach your hand to the side, flex the ankle, hold it here for a couple seconds. You can make a little pause gently to feel more stretch. And then rotate the wrist all the way, 4 directions, and then come back. Rotate the shoulders and reverse. Take a deep inhalation and exhale deeply. And one more deep breath and exhale deeply. That's the workout today. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell to see notification whenever I upload the new video, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye bye.